The Garden of Hope. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a boy named Arjun who loved nature. His small house had a patch of dry land where nothing seemed to grow. The other children often teased him, saying, "Why bother planting seeds in dead soil?" But Arjun remembered what his teacher once told him. Every great change begins with a small act of faith. So, every morning, Arjun watered the soil, even when it looked hopeless. Days turned into weeks, and still, nothing sprouted. But Arjun didn't give up. He learned about soil care from the village library, added compost, and protected the land from animals. Slowly, green shoots began to appear. Months later, that barren patch blossomed into a vibrant garden filled with colorful flowers and butterflies. When villagers saw the transformation, they couldn't believe it. The once empty yard became a symbol of hope and effort. Arjun shared the flowers with everyone, saying, "If you care enough to nurture something, it will bloom one day." Moral: faith, effort, and patience can turn even the driest soil or the hardest times into something beautiful. Please click on like and subscribe.